shopping at the local Asian market the other day, and one of my favorite things to eat is Korean food. And I found some instant buldak or tteokbokki, which is rice cake mixed with some chili paste sauce. It's sweet, spicy. It's got a really good combo. But who needs instant? Instant's good when you're on the go. But let's make it from scratch. Tastes way better, and I give it 2 thumbs up.
Let's start off with the chicken marinade. Skin a knob of ginger and dice it up with a clove of garlic. Food processors are a plus here. Gochujang paste. This can be found at your local grocery store in the Asian food section. Place it in a bowl that'll hold 2 chicken breasts. Now add 3 tablespoons of gochujang paste. Increase or reduce the amount depending on your spice level. Add a tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about a half tablespoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of honey or sugar. Mix it up and set it aside. Now lay out 2 chicken breasts that you want to cut up into smaller pieces. Pow! Just kidding. Be careful when slicing any meat with a sharp knife. Add them to the marinade. Mix and let it sit for about 15 minutes or even overnight. Get a bowl of hot water and empty the rice cakes in it to let them soak. Get about 4 to 6 strips of bacon and dice them up into smaller pieces. Of course, you can use more bacon if you wish. Fry it in a pan until it's nice and crispy and drain the oil and set the bacon aside. Now with a clean pan, add some oil and let's cook the chicken on medium-high heat. Once the chicken starts to cook through, add 2 cups of chicken stock. And add the rice cakes and bacon. Don't forget to grab a piece of bacon to taste test it. Let that boil and cook down for about 5 or 10 minutes. Prepare a cornstarch slurry. Add it to the pan and let it thicken up. Now it's ready to serve. Place it in a bowl. Traditionally, tteokbokki is served with a hard-boiled egg. So let's add in 1 split soft-boiled egg. Top it off with some roast sesame seed and chopped green onion. Buldak usually has mozzarella cheese baked on top. This is my fusion recipe of tteokbokki and fiery buldak, which are both Korean dishes. Enjoy!